Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to anime Rangers x Roblox. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to start your adventure. First up, let's create your character. You'll be able to choose your Ranger class and customize your look. Follow our step-by-step guide. Now that you have your character, let's dive into the core mechanics of the game. Understanding these will help you navigate the world of anime Rangers smoothly. Time to battle. In this section, we'll cover the combat system, including tips and features that will help you defeat your enemies. Quests are a significant part of your journey. Let's explore how to accept missions and their importance in leveling up. Leveling up is crucial. This segment will break down how the leveling system works and the skills you can unlock. Anime Rangers x Roblox isn't just about solo play. It's social. Find out how to team up with friends and make the most out of multiplayer modes. Understanding in-game currency is key. We'll explain different currency types and tips on earning and spending them wisely. There are many secrets waiting to be discovered. Let's uncover some hidden features and Easter eggs to enhance your gameplay. Now you're ready to jump into the world of anime Rangers x Roblox. Remember these tips and enjoy your adventure.